Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, we'd like to talk about a BONK. BONK USDT trading pair with my custom set updates. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, all targets, all zones, absolutely relevant. So let's turn on everything what we wrote here before. So yes, finally here we come back and test the weekly fair value gap. Yes, it's set. What we can do? Nothing. We just can work with own risk management, and of course, guys, I explained it. No makes sense to hop in all of that meme tokens just because you see a lot of zeros. So it's just a human nature. When the people see a lot of zeros on a meme token, they start to calculate. Oh, I invest now $100. I will be the multimillionaire because of blah blah blah, all this stuff, guys. On Max, this token, just randomly here, since October 23, made a 34% gains. How and why people buying here, I don't know. Also, of course, I understand it's not that story. So somebody buying here, selling here. No, of course not. It just during all this uptrend correction, it's just distribution accumulation, distribution reaccumulation, distribution accumulation again. So somebody buying here, selling here, buying back here, selling here, buying back here. So there's a lot of stories, when the people made a good profit here, for example, buying here, made a good profit here, but after that stuck it again here. It's just a human. It's just humans, It's not all the time. If you think the smart money, it's a really smart money. Sometimes the smart money, it's a dumb money. Yes, people gamble with meme tokens like crazy. They generate a huge money, and after that, they lose huge money. So just in case, just by logic, by market capitalization, no makes sense to hop in any token if the token already pumped 34,000% gains. Is it okay to buy now? Guys, of course, it's up to you. I believe, in Sol. So the Sol have to hit the new all-time high. It's just my personal opinion, and I think the meme tokens once again will follow, but it's not necessary. So we will hit the new all-time high. If we will, just in case, if this is a top, this is a second top, and we will hit the, let's say 0.301. So we're gonna cut 1-0, right? From these current prices, it can be from these current prices where we now here, it can be 700% gains. It's not that much, like people waiting for, right? So globally, of course, I wish to see the drop to at least once again the 50% of this weekly gap, or even a full fill. 0 point and I guess 5 zeros 55. This one. So yes, we can add 1-0. So just in case, if not now, of course, after the bounce, we will come back to this area. Under we get a monthly gap. So guys, just in case, this to block for support. If we compare, for example, the BOM and the BONK, I can say the BOM, I guess, it looks much better, right, for speculation. But of course, if we'll see once again a hype, right, because guys, keep in mind, now this is not an end of cycle. BTC dominance over than 61%. So if the money will inflow into meme sector again, the BOM, the BONK, the PAPA, and all of this, all the tokens will follow again. Will follow the trend. But keep in mind, guys, I recommend you after 100% withdraw initial deposit. So let's say here we dump it to this low, and after 100% withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. It will be not a mistake. So guys, now support block is weekly gap. This one, you can mark it and wait. Can we recover more from these current prices? Yes, we can, because we grab all of this liquidity. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks we leave the liquidity. So guys, technically, it's not a weekly. It's a monthly. Sorry, it's a weekly, but a monthly also. So this one. So would be good to see the close the monthly. So the monthly is more important, even better, right? So this one, 50% or the full fill. I don't think so. We will drop to this one monthly gap, but we can take a look. The take profit, guys. I want to show you here a lot of tokens now, like algorithm like Sol, only going to test the buy line. BONK on the weekly almost already tested the fundamental value of the token. So yes, just in case. Daily time frame, we now probably can reject at a fundamental value, drop it again, and form something like this one. This is going to be the best case scenario for BONK. At this area, you should fix the 100% profit here or there. Also fix the profit and leave some tokens for the new all-time high. So now we're in a good condition to buy. Yes, with potential drop, guys, keep in mind, we can see the drop like 39% or even more to the monthly fulfill. But yes, we are now on the fundamental value of the token, tested the fundamental value on the weekly time frame. So the take profit line on the weekly is 0.4023. So just in case, guys. 12 time frame here. I wish to see the drop to the fundamental value again. It's 0.5075. This one. Take profit. It's on 12 time frame 0.401988. So guys, also like I always explain to you, believe it or not, but we will come back and here close 50% of this order flow. And maybe in 2026, maybe by end of autumn or 2025, we'll see it in all-time high, but it's not necessary, so we will. That's why, guys, I repeat, it's not about the gambling. We not gamble and work like with, will we hit the new all-time high or not? Nobody knows, guys. That's why our main goal is the end of this cycle, finish the ride of this cycle in a profit. Firstly, we need to save initial deposit and then increase it, because the people chase and gamble too much and trying to become rich so fast. That's why they lose so much money. So build a plan, guys. Take a look. This is accumulation. Last time the same size of accumulation was around here, based on ADZ. Finally, we see the signals of accumulation on direction. So the best case scenario is a drop to close at least 50% of the first monthly gap, and after that bounce. This is capitulation since end of January. So technically it's good. Technically it's good. Now the sentiment in the market, so nobody believe in continuation of the market. So we're going to zero and all of that stuff. But I don't think so. Here's a money inflow 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row. Money inflow September, August 23. 1, 2, 3. 3 weeks we've been here in accumulation from the whales at the bottom now. So I wish to see the reversal move on BONK. And of course, this was a money outflow. And yes, we can trade again around here, right? And after that, one more money outflow. So globally, guys, of course, like speculation, we can speculate like this move and going down again in summer. That's why, guys, it's not a mistake will be to take a profit at the take profit line, because on the monthly we are in so overhyped. Trade on last indicator. Here was a buy, sell, sell, sell. Guys, no signal to sell or no signal to buy. No. So unfortunately, guys, I can't show you just random bullish signals if there is no bullish signals. So sell, sell, so it's distribution. Daily, of course, you can accumulate. You can accumulate and speculate locally. Globally, guys, I remind you, I think we will, and it can be the top of the top around, we can cut 1-0. And majority will talk about we're going to $1 again. So it's something like this one. And maybe it's going to be the head and shoulder right pattern dump. Who knows? Who knows? In zone 27, zone 28, maybe this token will be delisted from all exchanges. Who knows? Now, locally, I wish to see this move by end of March, because we got 2 weeks more this week and the next one, March. And April, May, I wish to see the recovery move. So the best case scenario is something like this move, April, May, recover move here, summer, like tiny chop and going higher to new all-time high. That's the capitulation. Of course, guys, it's the next monthly gap. This will be pretty tough. Now, what I'm not recommending is using DCA strategy, because people can spend all their money in DCA and trying to buy every single dip. Listen to the influencer. So just build a plan. Build a personal plan. The first trouble area is going to be here. Take profit line on a 12 time frame and daily time frame, and 0.4039 liquidity pool. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what do you think about BONK. If you like to trade with my customer Chris or showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.